Hi, my name is Nestor Andres Gutierrez Chaparro. I am 26 years old. My nationality is Colombia. I am from Sogamoso city. I am living in my father, my mother, my grandfather, and girlfriend, uh, and my three dogs and one cat. My study program is engineering electronic. Oh, and course on 3 semesters. My lag is I like to watch soccer in TV. Or I have play soccer. I like playing on Xbox. I love spaghetti with meat. I hate cucumber. I don't like my dirty dog. I date personal Discord. Uh, 1 year and 8 months ago, I was in Jopal Casanare, located in the Colombian in plane and wash and rest street. I was with my cousins and three wives and children and my sister. They were sometimes sunny and white and warm atmosphere. We visit tourist places like I stayed 4 days and was able to enjoy very pleasant moments with my family. Bye.